Poor Barbie, the light is just too bright, isn't it? And a pillow is not going to help, but an eye mask might. Let's go make you one. We're going to start and get a piece of paper, pop it over Dolly's face and get a pencil. And literally just going to draw from ear to ear across her face, round her eyes, over the bridge of her nose and make her a mask. Once that's done, it should look like this. Just make sure that you draw it from ear to ear because you need the size to go across her face. Fold the piece of paper so it is equal either side and cut it out. It should look like that. Looks fabulous. Looks like massive sunglasses. You're going to get your fabric, you're going to put your template on it and draw around your template. You're going to do two. You're going to do one that's exactly the same size as it. That's the same one. And then the top one is slightly bigger, so you've got a bit extra around the edge. Then you're going to cut them out and they should look like this. You add the template to the bigger one and then you're going to snip around the size of the bigger one with your scissors. So snip, snip, snip all the way around and it looks a bit like it's frayed. And then all you're going to do is fold over the edges and stick them down. You can use glue of any kind. I used the glue gun, it was easier. Stick all the sides down so they will look like this. Then you need to do the elastic band that goes around the head. I use just elastic, but if you've got a hair tie, you can cut that down to size. You just get your dolly, grab your elastic. You have to measure from the ear and then round the back of her head to the other ear. I found that was plenty. I just cut it down to size and then really easy peasy, just get a glue gun and stick it to the back of your eye mask and voila, it's done. And then all you have to do for the back bit, so the other piece that you cut out, just stick that inside so you can't see all the bits that you already stuck down. And then you have a really cute little eye mask and it looks really lovely. Any colour you can think of you can use. And then Barbie can go to sleep with no light in her eyes. Have fun crafting, guys, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!